Android Go phones should offer buyers with a tight budget a phone that can run the latest version of Google's Android with limited resources. There are thin versions of the default applications you need on your phone, and you should expect faster software updates. It is assumed that Android Go phones offer users the cheapest possible Android experience at the moment, and are excellent devices to develop markets. The J2 Core sounded pretty impressive. We believe that the phone would offer users a clean Android Oreo experience trimmed to run on minimal hardware. However, that is not the case, since Samsung decided to superimpose its personalized user interface on top of Google's. Now, that's something that Samsung and any manufacturer can do. Google allows this behavior. Otherwise, the J2 Core would never have been included in the Android Go family. Samsung does not have a great history in offering fast software updates, and the J2 Core comes with Oreo on board, not with the new Android 9.0 Pie. In addition, the Samsung user interface looks much better than it used to and works very well on high-end phones. But how will it behave in a phone that has an Exynos 7570 entry-level processor and only 1 GB of RAM? Samsung says that the J2 Core has very fast power and processing performance and that the phone was optimized to deliver faster speeds than previous models. Other specifications include a 960x 545-inch screen, 8 GB of storage, 8-megapixel camera, 5-megapixel selfie camera and 2600 mAh battery.